You want to know why I'm such a big proponent of having an emergency fund? It's because yesterday I was visited by the fire department. I'm in my kitchen, I'm getting ready for dinner, I'm prepping out all my stuff, and I go to turn on the oven, hit the buttons, and then I hear boom! I thought that the woman on the other side of me had dropped, like, I don't know what. Like an anvil. Like, it was like the whole kitchen shook. Bang! And I went, what was that? And then I kind of looked around a little bit, and it smelled like gas so bad. I opened the oven, it like just gas. And I went, oh shit. Turned off the oven, called the gas company. They said, we're sending somebody out right now. Fire department showed up, a guy from Washington Gas showed up. Fire department said, no gas leak. They could smell it. They walked in, they went, whoa, please to go stand in the hallway, sir. So that's when I took that picture. They're in my place, they're looking around. A little embarrassing because I had seen some video on TikTok about how to dehydrate strawberries. So there were strawberries all sitting out in the oven. They're like, sir, your berries. I'm like, oh my god. But anyway, no gas leak. So they were like, it's probably, how old's your oven? 20 years? It's probably time to replace your oven. My girlfriend who lives right down the hall, she hears all this. She comes running. She's like, what's going on? There's all these like supermodel firefighters. I guess that's why they have calendars. She's like, hello. I'm like, come here, don't look at them. Anyway, I'm going to Bray and Scarf today, pick up an oven. So anyway, guy from Washington Gas showed up. He said the exact same thing. He said that there's something called a hot surface igniter that is under the oven. And he's like, are you handy? And I said, not really. And he said, well, all you do is you unscrew this, you unscrew that, you lift the plate up, and you just like, it's like snapping in like a, like an Ethernet cable or like a cable, like an HDMI cable. You just snap it in, you hook it in, and you screw the plates back on. The part is like $17, and but you have to turn off the gas, and it's a whole big thing. And he said you could get someone out here to do it, but they would charge you like $400 or $500. And he said at that point you're better off just replacing the oven. He said, by the way, you could replace the thing that I think it is, and it might still have problems. So maybe it's better that you just replace the oven. Well, I cook all the time. I can't go a couple days without an oven. I use my oven all the time. If it wasn't for my investments and my emergency fund and the fact that I save a lot and I live well below my means, I would be scrambling right now. Because I went online and the cheapest, most piece of shit oven is like $600. I don't know, do I want a $600 oven? Probably not. It means I gotta go up a little bit higher and get something a little bit nicer. What's that? $900? $1,000? A little bit more? But I have that, and I'm not scrambling, I'm not panicking, because I'm diversified, I've got a ton of investments, I've got my rainy day fund, I'm ready to go. Emergencies happen, unexpected things, unplanned for things are constantly happening. If it's not one thing, it's another. A couple weeks ago, it was one of my cars was having a problem. Now it's my oven that's having a problem. In a month, it's going to be something else. If we keep living this way, above our means, constantly spending, then when a real problem hits, what are you going to do? Go into debt? Take out a loan? Pay high interest? That's why over 600,000 people follow me on social media. You should too. See you later.